What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on which you can use to increase your YouTube watch time. Alright, let's get into the video. So you start a YouTube channel and you gain your subscribers, right? You gain 1,000 subscribers, but for some reason you just want to reach your goal. You just want to reach your 4,000 hours watch time. There are several ways you can achieve that. Just gonna give you some tips on how to quickly and speed up the process. The first tip that I'm going to give you on how to increase your YouTube watch time is create longer videos. For instance, if you are creating 1-minute videos, you have a YouTube channel, you're creating 2-minute videos, 3-minute videos, 4-minute videos. One way you can increase your YouTube watch time is make your videos longer by creating a 10-minute video, a 15-minute video, because in reality, an average human will watch 50% of your video. So if you imagine you have a 2-minute video, someone watch that video for 1 minute. You have a 1-minute video, someone will watch that video for 30 seconds. But compare that to if you have a 10-minute video or a 15-minute video. Persons will watch 50% of your video. They will watch 5 minutes of your video. They will watch 7 minutes of your video. So by creating longer videos, you will surely increase your YouTube watch time. Another tip that you can really use to increase your YouTube watch time is create catchy thumbnail, because you're a small YouTuber, right? No one knows what you have to offer. No one knows anything about your content. One way you can attract viewers to click on your video is create catchy, eye-catchy thumbnail, not clickbait, catchy thumbnail. There's a difference between a clickbait and a catchy thumbnail. A clickbait is basically creating a thumbnail, but the video is not about that. So creating a catchy thumbnail will help persons to click on your videos, thus you will gain more watch time, because once someone click on your video, they will say, oh, this content is nice. They will click on another video of yours, and thus you will be one step closer in achieving your watch time. Another simple way that you can use to increase your YouTube watch time is by doing a live stream. Live stream is a very popular way that people use to increase their YouTube watch time, because for instance, you go on live, right? And your live stream is say 3 hours and you have 30 persons on your live. That means 30 persons will be watching your video for an entire 3 hours. So you see the amount of watch time you will gain by just going live. Because if you create 10-minute videos and get 100 views, you won't get as much as if you were going live. So live stream is a very popular way that person use to increase their watch time. Yes, and this tip that I'm going to mention now is tied back to the thumbnail. Create catchy title. Title link with your thumbnail. So if you have a catchy thumbnail and a catchy title, then everything is sealed right there. A catchy title act similar to the thumbnail. If you have a catchy title, or a title that is catchy and very appealing, then person will more likely to click on your videos. And that's the aim. We want person to click on your video. And if they click on your video, they are more likely to watch your video. So not only creating a catchy thumbnail, but your title has to be just as good. And last and final on my list is another popular way that you can use to increase your YouTube watch time is, of course, uploading more regularly. For instance, you have a YouTube channel, you are currently uploading 1 time per week. You are currently uploading 2 times per week. If you double that effort, your YouTube watch time will eventually double. For instance, you are uploading 1 time per week. If you up your uploading schedule to 2 times per week, you might be getting twice the amount of watch time. Might, I said might because you might upload and one of your videos don't perform as well as the previous one. So that's why I say might. But say for instance all goes well, both videos perform just as equal, then your watch time will eventually double. So uploading regularly on a more regular basis can also help to increase your YouTube watch time and take you one step closer to your 4,000 hours watch time goal, because I know this might be a struggle for some persons, but there are ways. By following these tips, one might not work, two might not work, but I can guarantee that 1 out of the 5 tips will work for you. Again, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Thank you for watching. Hope you do enjoy this video. And again, take that first step today.